Welcome, dear students. This is your course instructor Asif Javed. Let me give you a brief introduction. My name is Asif Javed. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I have done my masters from the Department of Mathematics, University of Jammu. After that, I have qualified JK Set in mathematics. Recently, I have also completed my MPhil. I will be teaching you the course of differential calculus. Before we formally start our course, it's imperative upon me to tell you something about the syllabus of differential calculus. As you can see that as far as the Cluster University of Jammu is concerned, you have got 5 units in this differential calculus. The total marks are 150 and 30 marks are devoted to the internal assessment. It means that the semester exam contains 120 marks and the duration of your exam is 3 hours. In the first unit, we will be discussing about limit and continuity. Although the limit and continuity are not the new concepts for you guys, you must have actually got the hold of the limit and continuity when you were in 11th or 12th standard. But mind you one thing, that the limit and continuity we are going to discuss here, we are going to follow a different approach, that is epsilon delta approach, and that is very crucial. So we will start with this epsilon delta approach. Then we will discuss some examples, then types of discontinuity, differentiability of functions, successive differentiation, Leibniz theorem, and all that. In unit number 2, we will be taking up indeterminate forms, then partial differentiation, Euler's theorem on homogeneous functions and the related examples. In the unit 3rd, we will be discussing about the tangents and normal, curvature, asymptotes, singular points, which are actually the double points, then the tracing of curves in Cartesian coordinates only. In unit number 4, we will be discussing about the parametric representation of curves, tracing of parametric curves, polar coordinates and tracing of curves in polar coordinates, area in polar coordinates. Finally, in unit number 5, we will take up the definition of maxima and minima, and in the meantime we will also be discussing Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem, Taylor's theorem with Lagrange's and Cauchy's form of remainder, and we will also take up Taylor series and Maclaurin series of some special type of functions, some elementary functions like sin x, cos x, e raised to power x, log of 1 plus x, 1 plus x raised to power n. So this is all we have in the course of differential calculus. Thank you so much.